Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter as we had completed our previous chapter. So don't miss my channel. So we are going to provide multiple choice questions based on the first chapter. So watch my channel continuously so that you may not miss the multiple choice question. Our chapter name is Values, Aims and Objectives of Teaching Physical Science. And in this video we are going to discuss about values. Values of teaching physical science. Science in general and physical sciences in particular help in the developing certain faculties like reasoning, experimentation and problem solving, which other subjects cannot. The inclusion of science in the school curriculum as a compulsory teaching subject possesses values like utilitarian, intellectual, cultural, moral, aesthetic, disciplinary, vocational and social. Intellectual value. Physical science had introduced new ways of thinking and reasoning, real insight to ourselves and the things around us. It sharpened interest and made us intellectual, honest, and critical in observation and reasoning. Utilitarian value. The achievements and benefits of science have changed the way of life. Science helped in raising standards of living, improving health and longevity of man. The fields of physical science have wide-ranging application in the field of industry, transport, communication, agriculture, medicine, democracy and peace. Vocational value. A science is a multidisciplinary in nature. It has opened innumerable avenues for different occupations. Vocational aspect of physical science will go on improving till the end of the world. Moral value. Science develops three basic facts: truth, goodness, and beauty, which are listed in the ancient Indian philosophy. Science, in its pursuit, not only includes traits of morality like honesty of purpose, punctuality, patience, self control, tolerance, but also instills them in a student of physical science. Cultural value. Culture includes all activities, thoughts, feelings, attitudes, and patterns of individual or social life of man. Science plays an important role in determining the culture and civilization of a country from time to time. Physical science has an influence on the thinking, beliefs, traditions, customs, lifestyles, which in turn influence the culture as a whole. Training in scientific method. The study of physical science trains the students in attacking the problem according to a certain definite and distinct procedure, which we may call as the scientific method. That this training can be applied to solve other problems arising in new situations. Aesthetic value. Science is basically unfolding of the mysteries of nature, and nature is a storehouse of all the beautiful things. Physical science possesses aesthetic value and it contributes to the aesthetic development of the man. Disciplinary value. Teaching of physical science trains the minds of people to behave in an orderly way. Science awakens interest in man and its pursuit requires qualities like persistence, diligence and patience. Science insists habits of systematic and hard work. Hence, science trains the mind and develops the habit of disciplined life. Development of scientific attitude. In learning science, one should require critical and objective observation, logical and impartial judgment, intellectual honesty, perseverance, concentration of mind, broad-mindedness, persistence, accuracy of measurement, patience, and respect for others' opinion and truth. These are the qualities of a person having scientific attitude. Teaching learning of physical science indicates scientific attitude among its learners. Psychological value. The teaching learning process of science satisfies the learner's instincts of curiosity, creativity, independent thought, and sound decision making based on principles of psychology. Social value. Social values like cooperation, mutual understanding, the attitude of dignity of labor, etc., are automatically cultivated. Inspirational value. Through teaching the life history, work, contribution of great scientists, physics and chemists, students will be inspired from the discoveries and inventions of the various scientists. Creative value. Science is nothing but creative thinking and creative doing. Science provides them ample scope to create new things. Utilization of leisure. Science provides means for utilization of leisure. Scientific activities provide the best hobbies and pastimes for worthy utilization of leisure. Along with the above values, the learning of science also develops problem solving skills. The following specific values can be developed through teaching learning of science. Patience in waiting for results of experiments. Perseverance in doing the experiment again and again until result is achieved. Cooperation, willingness to work with others and sharp equipment and materials. Honesty, in gathering and recording data. Integrity, whose work can be relied upon. Concern for life, caring for health, hygiene, and others. Preservation of environment, keeping surroundings clean, caring for plants and animals, switching off the lights, fans, electronic gadgets when not in use. Imbibing values. The values through science can be imbibed by the following strategies. Activities and experiments. Scientific activities and experiments allows one to observe, verify and inquire. All activities in science education should interwoven with the values needed for the betterment of mankind. Drawing analogies of concepts. Narrating the biography of great scientists. The human values are hidden in science concepts which are to be identified and practiced by the students. Teacher should work as the role model. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.